Welcome to Liverpool. Today you are on Where to Stay Around the World, and we're going to show you an incredible apartment that is right outside the cruise port on Prince's Dock, offers an amazing array of amenities, and has a really fabulous host. We found it on Airbnb, and we'll show you around the flat and give you some idea of what an incredible bargain this is. You can find the link to it in the description, but let's get started. We had a car and there is a parking space, but you don't need that. You're just past the stadium, right next to the Liver building at Prince's Dock. If you're looking for a place to stay before or after a cruise or a ferry ride, this is the place. All aboard for our tour of the Excelsior Flat in Liverpool. We'll be staying at the Excelsior, which is actually part of the Malmaison building. It's right in front of the Crown Plaza and right behind the Prince's Dock car park, which is a public car park, and you can park there for a fee if you have more than one car. If you have only one car, it is free, and the apartment comes with a parking pass, which Kevin will give you upon arrival when he shows you around the apartment. This is a locked building, so it's very secure. You'll get a passcode to get into the building. There will be an elevator. You'll take that up to the 10th floor. Your apartment is number 35, and you'll have a hard key to get into that you'll get from Kevin when he checks you in. The hallways have motion detector lights. The doors have regular keys to lock them and peepholes. As you enter the apartment, you will find a bathroom immediately on your left. This is a family bath and serves the second bedroom as well as the public living area. To your right, there's a coat rack, and straight ahead is the first of two bedrooms. This bedroom features a king-size bed that can be moved into two separate twin beds. Has a private bathroom ensuite, a closet with a safe inside of it. There is a dresser, a mirror, a hairdryer, and would you look at this view? That's the Liver building right in front of you. You're right on the Mersey. You have a king-size bed and two end tables with plugs on both sides. Your bathroom features a shower over the tub, a sink, a toilet. There was shampoo, conditioner, and body wash included, as well as all of your towels and linens. There's a heated rack for towels and a really nice shelf behind the sink, which is great for toiletries. The bedroom also has a TV in it and a mirror over the dresser. From there, right next door, we go into the second bedroom. This is two twins, which can be made up as a single king. It has bedside tables and, again, that spectacular view over the Mersey and the Liver building. Also a TV in this room, a table with a hairdryer and mirror. Heading back, we'll take a left and go into the public area of the house. There is a dining table that easily seats 6 people, although you do need to pull it out from the wall to get to those back chairs. The kitchen is really spacious and very well kitted out. This is a full-sized refrigerator and freezer, and Kevin left us water, which we very much appreciated. Let's spend a little time in the kitchen because this really is one of the highlights of this apartment. Starting with the upper cupboard next to the refrigerator is all of your glassware. And down below that you have a toaster and a coffee maker along with cutting boards. Below the induction hob is a drawer for all of your cutlery, and that is just above the electric oven. The next upper cupboard holds teapots and teacups and everything you need for a good cup of tea. Below it there is a tea kettle and a microwave. Your host Kevin is absolutely meticulous, and you'll notice that in all of the things being very organized and in their place. Cooking utensils and kitchen gadgets were all in this drawer. Below that and to the left of the oven is your dishware with service for 6. Rounding the corner, this lower cupboard had colander, bowls, and pots. Under the sink, you'll find all of your cleaning supplies, and next to that is your dishwasher. At the back of the kitchen, there is a utility closet that has a washing machine, an ironing board, as well as the electronics and hot water for the apartment. And the living room features that view again. This time you're looking both out at the Liver building and straight out over the Mersey. It's almost a shame that Liverpool has so much to offer, because quite frankly you could spend hours just watching the views from here, day or night. It just doesn't get better than this. And you'll be watching from the comfort of these oversized couches. Your view looking down is into this amazing pool where we actually got to see kayakers in the evenings and lots of activity on the water. As I mentioned, to get into the building, you'll need a code. To get out of the building, you'll need to push that button and simultaneously pull the door open. Liverpool is such a vibrant city, and there's so much to do here. Give yourself a minimum of 3, but more like 5 days to try and see as much of it as you can. We have videos about Beatles tours that we've taken and the Beatles Story Museum and exhibits. You can find those on our Well Traveled Life channel. If you just want an overview of Liverpool, our Cruise Ports channel does a good job of giving you a sense of what you can do in a day. Since you're staying here, you need to take advantage of Liverpool's nightlife and the live music opportunities here. Whether you're heading for beer tasting out the Baltic Pub, and you can find that on our Brews and Views channel, or you want to get some of that Beatles nightlife on Matthews Street, where you've got all things Beatles, themed restaurants, and the infamous Cavern Club. There's also the Cavern Pub, which offers live music for free in the evenings. Don't miss Albert Docks, where there are plenty of restaurants and more things to do, including shops and the Tate Museum. But if you're looking for a good meal and want to stay closer to home, look no further than your back door. You have Malmaison, which is a high-end, beautifully done restaurant, literally outside your door and around the corner in the same building. Thanks for joining us from an apartment that just may have the best view in the city. Make sure and check the description for a link to rent it yourself.